Hello, friend. Welcome to Satisfying Quiz. You have 25 questions and 10 seconds to crack the emoji puzzle. Before starting, please subscribe to Satisfying Quiz channel so that you never miss the exciting challenges on our channel. Ready? Let's go! Round 1. Can you figure out this meme from these clues? Ketupat kepat prekupat kupat kepet kepot adalah ketupat hantu yang berasal dari Pulau Jawa Kecamatan Krepot. Get ready to guess this powerful character. Chimpanzini kokosini. Wah wah wah. Boop boop bada bim. Kokonuchi monkey monkey monkey. Which explosive character is this? Ballerino lololo. Ballerino lololo. Frappé muscoloso. Danza leggero. Can you solve this emoji puzzle? Madindindindun merupakan sosok jeruk yang memiliki mata dan mulut. Which animal is being represented here?
Bicus dicus de bicus de dicus, un piccolo ricciolo cui
Do you know this Italian brain rot character?
Garamararamararaman dan madu dung dung dung.
Do you know the answer to this one? Crocodilo, un fottuto alligatore volante che vola e bombarda I bambini a gas. What are these emojis telling you? Oi oi oi, Boberito Bondito? El Bobrito Gangsterito, Banditelli Don Bobrelli. Can you guess this animal? Sahur. Ada kejadian misterius yang hanya muncul saat sahur. Are you ready for this one? Gangster futera criminalera. Indossa un outfit da Try to guess the brain rot meme. Oh my god, è le rule penguinel cactusini. Il pinguino che balla la salsa con un Which brain rot animal is this? Chimpanzini bananini. Wah wah wah. Bananucci monkey monkey monkey. Do you know the correct answer? Baloni lulilolli, capibarello cocossini. È molto raro trovare sulle cose. Let's see if you can get this one. Matteo! 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 Are you ready for this next one? Patapim, il mio cappello è pieno di slim. Nel bosco fitto e misterioso viveva un essere Try to guess this meme. Troppi, troppa trippa. Tre topi trotterellano, tra tromboni. What about this brain rot animal? andare là. Elefante nel deserto che cammina qua e là. Con la sua conchiglia. Do you know the correct answer for this one? Bombini Gusini, fratello bombardiro crocodilo, che svolge... Can you guess this brain rot character? Ballerina cappuccina. Mi, 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 mi. What do you think about this one? Capu cappuccino assassino! Assassini cappuccini! Can you guess the animal meme? Tigruli grapefruitoni. Arrar. Tigretto la grapefrutto. Which Italian brain rot is this? Trallallero trallallà, porco Dio e porco Allah, ero con il mio fortuna. Try to guess the brain rot meme. Boneka ambalabu. Entitas jahat yang banyak meresahkan. Can you guess this animal? Top. Bukanlah unta biasa. And the final question is, guess the next Italian brain rot character. Sahur, anomali yang hanya muncul di saat sahur. And that's a wrap. Thanks so much for playing along. How many did you get right? Let us know your score in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more awesome quizzes. See you next time.